And so to retrieve all your lost contacts, you can use Google Contacts. Open your web browser, type in Google Contacts, and the first link that pops up, tap on the Google Contact. This page should appear for you, and ta-da, you should see all your contacts. Search for the contact you think you've lost, retrieve it, and then use it wherever you want. Today we are going to talk about retrieving all contacts on your phone. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video. If happening to you that your phone goes spoiled, that you feel like you've lost a treasure, some valuable contacts on your phone, you had a feeling like you've lost almost everything, and you were thinking, what could you do to retrieve all the contacts? Well, have your phone. You see, everyone's phone has contacts. Okay, so let's say the contact is saved on your phone. So anytime you are saving a contact, so let me save a sample contact. You save the contact to a specified location. When I say specified location, I mean you either save to Google, or you save to your SIM, or you save to others. It is always recommended that you save to Google. Okay, so make sure anytime you save your contact, you're saving to Google. So let me just continue. So let me just use a sample here, or dummy, and then let me just enter a mobile number. This is just a sample to show you guys. Okay, all the other details here, I will fill them for now. So let me say this is how averagely almost everyone sees their contacts on their phone, right? So now come to your Google contact. If you feel like you've lost any phone, come to your Chrome, search for Google Contacts. Okay, type in Google Contacts. When you type in Google Contacts, the first link that pops up, you see this first link that pops up. Tap on that Google Contact, and then a page like this should appear. Share all your contacts. If you're not seeing this, it's probably that you've not logged in your Gmail on your phone. So do that, and then automatically the contact on your phone. Okay, if you've lost your phone, make sure you include this to retrieve all your contacts. Okay, so they say the contact I see that was Odame. So you see it comes in Gmail too. Okay, you also see contact in Gmail. So Odame, let me just try to view that contact Odame. So here is that contact Odame that I see it. And check out the details. I deleted the contact, okay, earlier on. I didn't show it in this video, but then let me try to edit it. Okay, so any kind of edit you do over here, take note, it shows on your phone. So let me just enter a fake email over here. Then we just add a right email. Well, I'll stop that for now. And then let me just enter the phone number. Okay, so over here, let me just enter some digits. Just enter some digits so that you don't waste so much time over here. And then while here you can add the birthday of the person whose contact you are seeing, you want to edit. Okay, so let me just save that for now and show you some other cool features of the Google Contact. So upon clicking on save, this contact gets saved. Take note, as it gets saved, it's saved across all your devices. Okay, so every device logged in your Gmail, I mean every mobile phone, this contact is going to get updated over there. So coming back to my contacts, I'm looking at my contacts right now. Let me try to retrieve all my contacts as a PDF. Okay, so to retrieve all contacts as a PDF, we see these options over there. Just follow my mouse cursor. There's export and there is print. To retrieve all your contacts as a PDF, click on the print, and then over here options will come that to retrieve contacts or your favorites. Okay, I want to retrieve all my contacts, so I click on that. And so it's going to save as a PDF. So it's going to generate a preview of all my contacts. So these are all my contacts on my phone. Right now, it is trying to generate a PDF for me that I can utilize as my contact. Okay, so it's loading a preview for me. Let's wait as it does that. Mistaking quite long because of my network. Oh, so that is it. These are all my contacts. I'm going to save it on my desktop device. So I click on that and then I'll save it in my downloads. Okay, so let me just save it as contacts. In fact, let me change this to Google Contacts so it doesn't confuse me from other ones. So Google Contacts. What is the S? Yes, let me add the S, Google Contacts. And then I click on save. So after I click on save, now it's saved on my desktop. I mean the PDF of all my contacts. Okay, so these are all my contacts that you see over here. They are now on my PC as a PDF. So let me just open it to you. In fact, I'm going to open it with Firefox browser. So I open my PDF over here and then that is it. So tada, you see all your contacts on your phone at this point to be able to retrieve them as a PDF. So without your touch phone, if you are using a YAM right now, then grab a PC right now, get to see all your contacts, okay? Get to see them as a PDF, save them securely anywhere. And then anytime you need a contact, you can just, let me look for the Odami that I saved. I want to show you the example. You remember that I saved an Odami? So I scroll down and then, yes, so Odami, this Odami I saved afresh. So that's it over there. It has become part of the PDF, okay? So without wasting much time, let me show you some other cool features of the Google Contact. It's not just about retrieving contact as a PDF. You can actually merge your contacts. You see, sometimes you save someone's contact multiple times, okay? So when you come to merge and fix over here, you can just click on merge and then you merge your documents, okay? So come here and then let me show you some other features like the label. So the label like this, let's say you've gone to a new place and then you want to group all your contact into one. So let's say you want to screen, okay? So let me type your screen. All the contacts you see in the screen, you can add this label to it so that you identify them easily. So let me just tap on the screen and then let me just try to add a label. He's teaching me how to label your contacts, okay? So it says come here, select your contacts and then select label and all that. Let me practically show you how it's done. So coming back to my contacts, when I come back to my contacts, let me search the Odami once again to use as a demo. So I choose my Odami here. So the Odami contact, you see down there, there's label over there. There's label. Okay, so you just click on label and then I'll select school. So with this label, I'll be able to use all the contacts that I saved in school. Okay, I'll be able to see all the contacts I saved in school. There are other pictures over here. Here you can also change the profile picture of the contacts. So click on the plus icon, wait for it to load. If your network is strong, it will download by now. So I'm going to change the profile picture. Okay, so it comes here. Why is this messing up? Okay, so I click on plus and then here, I don't want to use any of their photos. I want to use my own photo. So let me grab a picture from my PC. Let me just upload from my computer. And then upload it from my computer. Let me use this image. This one looks very nice for me. So it's just upload to it. It's going to show here very soon. And then, yes. So I just click on done. And then the picture uploads. So very soon it's going to reflect over here. Yes, this picture that I've uploaded over here is going to upload on my mobile devices too, okay? The profile picture, the contact photo is going to upload for all my mobile devices, all the contact that I've saved. So let me click email. If you use a valid email to save the email of your contacts, when I click on email, automatically Gmail allows you to email the person. Okay, here I use a fake Gmail, so it wouldn't really work, but always use save your contact with Gmail. Okay, Google Contact also allows you to see when you saved the contacts. When did you add this contact? See, I added this contact today at 7 a.m. Okay, so I can also add the birthday of the person. Sometimes you don't want to forget the birthday of a friend, and so Google Contact allows you to save the birthday of the person. So I'll add a year. So let me just say this. So anytime the birthday of the person, Google will remind you of the person's birthday. Okay, so do that and then you save that one. That's also another cool feature of Google Contact. So that is it. So basically you can add a label, you can change your profile picture, you can add a name. Other features are here. You can schedule an appointment with someone on Google Contacts. You can do so a lot of other stuff. Let me just remove this, toggle this menu off, and then it's so easy. Clearly Google Contact, their UI is very nice, and then you can just retrieve all your contacts. Okay, so you realize that I didn't use this exports to save, but I rather use the print. Okay, let me try to use the export to show you something. The export will save your contact as an Excel document, not a PDF. iPhone you can need that over here to view it as a view card, but then it will come as an Excel document, and then I don't want that. So let me just do one contact and then let me do the demo for you. Okay, so let me export it as a CSV, as an Excel document. Some of you would want to save your contact as an Excel also. Okay, so let me try to open my Excel documents. It's going to take a while to load because of PC is lagging behind quite. So I don't know why, but then as it loads, let me show you some other cool features from the Google Contact page. Okay, tap on this button. You see the other Google products like YouTube, Google Drive, Google Contact. We nearly use Google Search and YouTube and Google Drive and all that. But then Google has other cool features over here. Okay, it are used to manage your finances, inbox, and all that. Google offers all these other products. Okay, by now our Excel documents should be ready and should be able to load. Okay, so let me check it out. Okay, let me try to check it out. I think yes, it's ready. My Excel documents are simple. So you see what I talked about. Even a bit messy for me. There's a whole lot of information here that I don't need, and so that's why I always recommend that to retrieve all your content, use the PDF instead of the Excel. Okay, and then that is that. So that is all I have to show you today on Busy Dev YouTube channel. Make sure you use Google Contacts. Try it out. Let me know of your feedback of how you experience it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.